Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this captivating and easy to follow tutorial, I will teach you all the easiest way to achieve this beautiful woolen craft idea. No special scale or equipment is required, just follow the process. Get 2 colors of wool of your choice and dive into the tutorial. Just as you saw, I put 2 strands of wool in between my 4 fingers. Then wrap that same color around their 4 fingers for 20 times. Take the 2 strands of wool already at the middle of the finger and tie to secure the woolen design. Now cut open the woolen design just the way I'm cutting it. Tie to make a design. Trim and cut off the excess wool. Make 3 pieces of each color, in total 6 pieces. Sew to join the little pieces together to make a cute woolen craft. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. At this point, attach a medium-sized bead to make the woolen craft seamless and more beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. I will surely see you all soon.